students, welcome back to civics class, citizens and citizenship. Civics is the study of government. The word citizen is derived from the Latin word civis, which means resident of a city-state. Citizen is a person of a country who is entitled to enjoy all the legal rights and privileges granted by a state and is obligated to obey its laws and to fulfill its duties. Citizenship is the status given to the citizens which provide them the right to legally live in a country as long as they want. There are two types of citizens. Natural citizens are the citizens by birth. Naturalized citizens are the one who acquires citizenship. The Citizenship Act of 1955 prescribes 5 ways of acquiring citizenship. They are by birth, descent, registration, naturalization, and incorporation of territory. In India, all citizens, irrespective of the state in which they are born or reside, enjoy the same political and civil rights of the country. Citizenship by birth. A person born in India on or after 26 January 1950 but before 1st July 1987 is a citizen of India by birth irrespective of the nationality of his parents. A person born in India on or after 1st July 1987 is considered as a citizen of India only if either of his parents is a citizen of India at the time of his birth. Those born in India on or after 3rd December 2004 are considered citizens of India or one of whose parents is a citizen of India and other is not an illegal migrant at the time of their birth. Citizenship by descent. A person born outside India on or after 26 January 1950 but before 10th December 1992 is a citizen of India by descent if his father was a citizen of India at the time of his birth, or a person born outside India on or after 10th December 1992 is considered as a citizen of India if either of his parents is a citizen of India at the time of his birth. From 3rd December 2004 onwards, a person born outside India shall not be a citizen of India by descent unless his birth is registered at an Indian consulate within 1 year of the date of birth. Next is by registration. A person of Indian origin who is ordinarily resident in any country or place outside undivided India, or a person of Indian origin who is ordinarily resident in India for 7 years before making an application for registration, or a person who is married to a citizen of India and is ordinarily resident in India for 7 years before making an application for registration. Fourth one is by naturalization. The central government grants a certificate of naturalization to any person if he is not a citizen of any country where the Indian citizens are prevented from becoming citizens of that country, or a citizen of any country renounced the citizenship of that country, or he has either resided in India or been in the service of a government in India or throughout the period of 12 months. If he is of good character and has an adequate knowledge of a language specified in the 8th schedule to the Constitution. Fifth one, by incorporation of territory. If any foreign territory becomes a part of India, the Government of India specifies the persons who among the people of the territory shall be the citizens of India. Such persons become the citizens of India from the notified date. For example, Pondicherry became part of India by the Citizenship Order 1962. Laws of Indian citizenship. Part 2 of the Constitution of India prescribes three ways of losing citizenship: renunciation, termination, deprivation. Renunciation: when a person, after acquiring the citizenship of another country, gives up his Indian citizenship. Termination: when an Indian citizen voluntarily acquires the citizenship of another country, he automatically ceases to be an Indian citizen. Deprivation: the citizenship is deprived on the basis of an order of the government in India in cases involving acquisition of Indian citizenship by fraud, false representation, or being disloyal to the Constitution. Single citizenship. Our Indian Constitution provides for only single citizenship, that is, the Indian citizenship. But federal states like USA and Switzerland has dual citizenship, that means double citizenship. Our president is the first citizen of the country. Overseas citizenship of India. Non-resident Indian (NRI), an Indian citizen who is residing outside India and holds an Indian passport. PIO, person on Indian origin, a person whose any ancestors was an Indian and who is presently holding another country's citizenship. OCI, Overseas Citizen of India card holder. It is an immigration status permitting a foreign citizen of Indian origin to live and work in the Republic of India indefinitely. An alien refers to all non-citizens of the country. An immigrant refers to alien who has been granted the right to reside and work permanently without restriction in a particular country. Our Constitution confers the following rights for the citizens of India: fundamental rights, right to vote in the election to Lok Sabha and state legislature, right to hold certain public office, right to become a member of parliament and state legislature. Qualities of a good citizen: loyalty to the Constitution, obeys laws, contributes to society and community and performs civic duty, quality of goodness and justice, respecting diversity. Global citizenship. Global citizenship is an idea that everyone, no matter where they live, is part of a worldwide community rather than as the citizen of a particular nation or a place. All people have rights and civic responsibilities. Overseas Indians Day commemorates the arrival of Mahatma Gandhi in India from South Africa. And with this, we come to the conclusion of this lesson, children. I hope you understood who is a citizen, what is citizenship, and do watch it once again and revise well. Thank you, children.